Welcome to Compare to Win. The best submersible water pump is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any homeowner or professional dealing with water management, whether it's for draining flooded basements, emptying ponds, or facilitating irrigation systems, and today we're diving deep into the DC-160 model to see if it truly lives up to its reputation as a reliable and powerful solution for all your water moving needs. Number 5. DC-160 Cat Water Fountain Pump Replacement. Enjoy peace and quiet with this ultra-quiet pump. It operates at under 25 dB, ensuring a tranquil environment for both you and your pets. This pump is designed for efficiency, consuming only 1.5 W of power. It's an eco-friendly choice that won't significantly impact your energy bill. Built to last, it features an IP68 waterproof rating and a DC-5V low-voltage design. This ensures durability and safe operation for extended use. Setting it up is a breeze with its long power cable and strong suction cups. Regular cleaning every 2 weeks will help extend its lifespan. It's compatible with most pet water dispensers and features a USB port for versatile power options. Contact us if you encounter any issues. Free replacements are available. Please check the original pump label and dimensions before purchasing. It is specifically designed for the DC-160 model and requires a 5V 1.5 W adapter, which is not included. What we like. This pump offers excellent durability with its IP68 waterproof rating and a soothing blue LED light. If you are looking for a quiet operation that won't disturb your pets or your sleep, this is a great choice. Its ultra-quiet performance under 25 dB makes it ideal for peaceful environments. What people say. The pump is powerful and moves a lot of water quickly. It's very quiet when running, which is a big plus. The submersible design makes it easy to place in the water without any hassle. Number 4. Comsmart Upgraded Pet Water Fountain Pump DC-160. This pump has an automatic shut-off feature. It stops working when the water is low, preventing damage from dry running. A red LED light will alert you when it's time to refill. Engineered with unique motor technology, it operates at a whisper-quiet level, below 40 dB. This ensures your pet can rest peacefully without disturbance. Both the exterior and internal components can be easily taken apart for cleaning. Regular cleaning every 2 weeks will help maintain water quality and prolong its lifespan. Setting up this replacement motor is a breeze. It comes with a 6-foot USB cable and 4 strong suction cups for a secure and easy installation. This model, DC-160, is designed to be compatible with 84 ounces and 81-ounce pet fountains. Please verify your original pump model before making a purchase. What we like. This pump features an automatic power-off function to prevent dry burning, with a helpful red LED reminder. If you're concerned about your pet fountain running dry and want an alert system, this is the one for you. It's suitable for busy pet owners who might forget to check the water level regularly. What people say. The pump is very quiet and powerful. It has a good flow rate and is easy to install. The submersible design makes it versatile for various applications. Number 3. DC-160 Replacement Pump for Cat Fountains. Before purchasing, please carefully check if this pump is compatible with your specific cat fountain model. It is designed as a replacement for the DC-160 model and is not suitable for certain brands like Casti, Catit, or Wopit. Enjoy peaceful nights with this upgraded pump. Its ultra-quiet operation and low power consumption ensure a serene environment for both you and your beloved pets. This pump is built to last with a low-voltage DC-5V design and IP68 waterproof rating. The convenient USB plug allows for versatile use with power banks or computers, but please use a 5V1A adapter to prevent damage. Setting up this replacement pump is a breeze. It features a generous 5.9-foot power cable and 4 strong suction cups, making installation quick and secure. To ensure optimal performance, clean a pump every 2 weeks. Low water levels or debris can cause malfunctions. We offer a 60-day refund and a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. Remember to keep the water level adequate and clean out any pet hair or debris that might enter the pump. This simple maintenance will prevent abnormal operation and keep it running smoothly. What we like. This pump boasts low power consumption and a long lifespan, powered by a versatile USB plug. If you need a reliable and energy-efficient pump that can be powered from various sources like a portable charger or computer, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who value cost-effectiveness and flexibility in power sources. What people say. The pump is very powerful and can move a lot of water quickly. It is also very quiet, which is a big plus for me. The design is compact and easy to install. Number 2. DIDIPET Replacement Cat Water Fountain Pump. Experience peace and quiet with our ultra-quiet pump. Its silent operation ensures your pets remain undisturbed, allowing everyone to rest soundly. Maintenance is a breeze with its detachable design. Easily take it apart without tools for a thorough clean, ensuring fresh water for your pet. Tackle stubborn dirt, hair, and fur with the included special cleaning brush. It reaches every corner, making deep cleaning simple and effective. Enjoy low energy consumption with its 1.5 W power usage. This efficient design provides reliable performance while saving on electricity. Built for a long lifespan, this pump is a durable solution for your pet's hydration needs. It's designed to keep your fountain running smoothly. Benefit from a convenient 6-foot USB power cable, offering flexibility in placement. It provides a stable and easy power connection for continuous operation. What we like. This pump is super silent and comes with an extra long 16-foot USB power cable, plus a special cleaning brush. If you need maximum flexibility in placing your pet fountain and want to ensure thorough cleaning, this is the ideal choice. The extended cable length is great for larger spaces or when power outlets are inconveniently located. What people say. The pump is submersible and designed for water. It has a specific model number, DC160, indicating its intended application. The product is a water pump. Number 1. Cepheus Extreme Silent Pet Fountain Pump DC160. Experience ultra-quiet operation with this replacement pump. It's designed to keep your pet's water flowing without any disruptive noise, ensuring a peaceful environment for everyone. This pump is a perfect replacement for most stainless steel pet water fountains. Its universal compatibility makes it an ideal choice for keeping your pet's favorite fountain running. Enjoy greater flexibility with the extended 6-foot USB cable. This allows you to conveniently place the fountain anywhere you like, ensuring easy access to power. Designed for low power consumption, this pump efficiently circulates water while saving on energy costs. It provides continuous operation without a significant impact on your electricity bill. Setting up is a breeze with its simple plug-and-play design. You can quickly replace your old pump and ensure your pet's water fountain is back to optimal performance in no time. What we like. This pump offers extreme silent operation and universal compatibility, with a convenient 6-foot USB cable. If you have a stainless steel cat water fountain and want a replacement that's quiet and easy to connect, this is a fantastic option. Its universal fit makes it a great choice for many users looking for a hassle-free solution. What people say. The pump is very powerful and can move a lot of water quickly. It is also very quiet, which is a big plus for me. The pump is well built and feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.